Hello, I am Madhusmita. I am a mind alignment process practitioner in training, and the purpose of making this video is to bring in how mind alignment process is helping people to cure PTSD in a very easy way. Mind alignment process has a module which is only like 12-week program, and that helps to take care of any PTSD. Okay, it is actually invented by a army officer from US, and when it was invented, the purpose was to take care of the trauma which is very deep within the military. That was the origination, but slowly with the benefit that was observed, it has been extended to common people. It has been very effective, and I want to share my story here because I also had PTSD. I used to feel as if there is nothing wrong with me, everything is going to settle, or like maybe the world is torturing me. But the truth is, there are parts within our mind which are stuck in the traumas in the past life, like in the childhood, or could be anything that just have happened recently, and we are not able to come out of it. Because what happens is, that event, when it is very painful and that hurts emotionally, it could be nothing has happened physically, but some event happened in our life which hurted us emotionally. So what happens is, when we don't process that emotion, then those are stuck in the mind. Those are actually stuck in the neurons, and that neuron set are programmed. So even if go ahead in your life, but that program which is stuck in the neurons, that keeps playing its role in your life. And how it is going to feel like is like, when that neuron is stuck in your mind, there will be like involuntary reoccurrence of that event in the mind. That's what happens. So when it keeps coming back, and it will make you feel like as if the event is happening right now, and you will be like just frozen in the fear, and that slowly gradually takes you into depression, and the increase in the stress level, and anxiety in the life. That's how it happens. And when it started on a emotional level, and then when it is not being taken care on a proper way, in the time zone where you are capable of just getting rid of it naturally, then it will consequence in a physical disease slowly. So coming back to my story, I took my mind alignment process healing, and it helped me, because I was holding traumas from my childhood. I have been holding that from over a 15 to 18 years. So those were so deep. And yes, when I was holding that, I was not knowing that that is the thing that is still bothering me. Okay, and then when it grows, it was very natural. I was also having suicidal thoughts. You can also see the event that is currently happening. It is very natural. When the emotional part is not taken care, not processed, it is very natural that you will lose hope. Even if you have a prosperous life externally, you have a material prosperity, if your emotional health is not taken care, it is very natural to have suicidal thoughts. I had that. Okay, so it is always good, and I will specifically recommend. I am a practitioner currently going through the training, and I will invite you. I am providing my consultation link. It is a free consultation. If you are experiencing PTSD, I invite you to take care of it, it can be cured very easily just within 12 weeks. It is a 12-week program. You don't have to think what you have to do. You just have to come out with your traumas or with your flashbacks, which are those events, those are still bothering you, those have happened in the past, but those are still coming back and back again in your memories and making you feel anxious, making you feel scared. So all those things can be just taken care. The program is designed in such a way the practitioner will take care of you. So it is simple, it is very 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 simple. You can just start with booking a free consultation when you want to cure your PTSD and have a life. Life is really beautiful, life is really beautiful, and you don't have to be a victim of the emotions that is just trapped in your mind. And you can just imagine, when your mind is free from those stuck memories, you will have access to your full mind, and you can do a lot in your life, right? You can do a lot in your life, and you can be more happy, peaceful. So those are your natural benefits. And one more thing I just wanted to share is, like, in this module there will be no medicines. That is the best thing that I liked. And like, you can have access to this cure just by sitting at your home, because this is available online. You'll be having access to international practitioners from US, and make your life easy. There is no point in staying in that stuck memory. I have gone through that, and now I want this modality to reach every people who are going through PTSD and feel like, as if there is nothing, there is no hope. But that's not true, that's not true. It is just a step away. You can have a absolutely PTSD free life, and be happy, absolutely be happy in your life, and be happy about yourself, and you'll feel love for yourself. That's how beautiful this program is. And you connect with me, I will take you through the process, and it's up to you. You choose to heal your trauma, you choose to heal your PTSD. That's all you need for your emotional health. That will take care of everything else. Thank you.